listen to the beginning sounds of words. The beginning sound is the first sound you hear when you say a word. Like in the word cow, say cow. K, k, cow. K, k, cow. Cow begins with the k sound. Now let's listen to the beginning sounds of these words. Say the word barn. Stretch it out. B, b, barn. Say it with me. B, b, barn. Barn begins with b. Say the word beach. Stretch it out. B, b, beach. Say it with me. B, b, beach. Beach begins with b. Barn and beach both begin with b. They begin with the same sound. Say the word car. Stretch it out. K, k, car. Say it with me. K, k, car. Car begins with the k sound. Say cake. Stretch it out. K, k, cake. K, k, cake. Say it with me. K, k, cake. Cake begins with the k sound. Car and cake both begin with k. They begin with the same sound. Say the word Easter eggs. Stretch it out. Easter. Easter. Say it with me. Easter. Easter begins with the E sound. Say the word eagle. Stretch it out. Eagle. Say it with me. Eagle. Eagle begins with the E sound. Easter and eagle both begin with E. They begin with the same sound. Nice work listening to the beginning sounds of words.